Hello Driving Intelligence community. This is going to be a short video. It's a little exciting for me because I ended up picking up some King Ranch seats from a 10th generation F-150 in the junkyard. I was looking for just a cheap part, walked across this truck, saw it's a super cab like mine, and said I'm going to put those in my truck. I pulled the front passenger seat out, which looks like it's in decent shape, can be recovered or restored. I got the same thing going on with the back seats, but the driver's seat was in really rough shape, or it still is actually. I'm cleaning it up. That's all wet marks, but there's grease and oil on it. But I thought what I'd do is share something I learned today. These little things here that your headrests go in actually can come out. I've not really spent much time trying to figure it out. I broke this one trying to get that skin off, and it turns out that all you do is stick a screwdriver in here and pry this little tab back. There's a little tab here that holds it in. When you put it in this slot and pry it back, this thing pops right out. So I gotta go find another one that's not broken, but I thought I'd give you that quick little tip so that you don't end up breaking yours like I did mine. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. See you next time on Driving Intelligence.